How to hang a curtain rod. Measurements and preparation. Measure the window for curtain rod installation. Add 2 to 5 inches for partial window coverage or 8 to 15 inches for complete coverage. Use a stud finder to locate studs for secure mounting. Consider wall anchors if studs aren't conveniently located. Installation tips. For wide or thin rods, consider adding a center bracket to prevent sagging. Measure the height from the floor to the top edge of the window frame. Curtains usually set about 4 inches above the window. Adjust for personal preference. Creating a template. Create a cardboard template for accurate hanger placement. Cut a corner from a cardboard piece to fit over the top corner of the window. Mark desired hardware locations using the template. Installation process. Mark and position holes on the wall using the template. Drive screws into the wall and position the hanger. Repeat the process on the opposite side of the window. Hanging curtains. Feed the curtain onto the rod and place it on the hooks. Twist on the finials and tighten set screws to secure the assembly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.